this is Kashish Nana Arya working as an intern at Pixel Labs. So today I am going to talk to you about what are the role of mobile application development company in boosting startups. The number of startups is increasing on a daily basis within the market across all kinds of industries. But does one understand how many of them attain sustained success within their ventures? Mobile apps become a necessity in the contemporary world, and mobile app development companies become a key thought about ensuring the success of a business. Trends show that the bulk of smartphone users do businesses from a corporation if it is a mobile app that gives them detailed and transparent services. So, what is the role of mobile app development companies in enhancing the profit for startups? So, below are the factors that describe the importance of mobile app development companies for startups. So, the first thing is that saves time and money. Launching a startup requires plenty of strategic planning, the least bit stages of development and other related processes. By associating with a mobile app development company, you will initially feel that you simply are spending a lot of money. But if you are thinking that deep, you may know that they are going to facilitate your saving numerous times and money within the future. As a startup, you will be unaware of the strategies needed to be used for a guaranteed success. Mobile app development companies are experts in these tactics and ensure a maximum return on investment, which is reliant on the progress of the business in accomplishing the specified goals. If you are able to keep the customer engaged with a highly quality experience, then you may get a solid chance to extend the return on investment. Second thing is about the on time and accurate delivery. Mobile app development companies are expert in its services and respond to the queries of their clients. They are going to communicate well the least bit stages of the event process and make sure that all the client requirements are followed properly. These measures will make them accurate in their process. You may have the advantage of getting an optimal answer to any on your problems at one place. Third thing is about preparing the complete updated strategy. Launching a startup is not a neater task while gauging the numbers within the market. Many studies have shown that the bulk of startups don't achieve the future because of inexperience and lack of skill within the field. Mobile apps development companies are going to be experts during this field and can have complete knowledge of market trends. Hence, they will design an actual strategy to kick off your business process and stay unique within the market. They are going to consider all of your requirements and core ideas to remodel them into real-time solutions. There will be a professionalism all told the aspects of the event process right from reaching to deployment and maintenance of the app. They are going to add relevant contents and modify them in line with the changing trends within the market. Experts will monitor the app constantly with measures to stay its performance in optimal condition. The fourth thing is about marketing. Marketing is additionally a key aspect for startups because it will play a significant role in improving the reach of the merchandise. Experts within the company will analyze and style specific strategies to grab the eye of the purchasers, such as meeting businesses' goals by reaching target customers and keeping loyal customers engaged. Second is acquainting the advanced strategies to fulfill business objectives. The last one is about the designing specific goals supported the statistical reports. So marketing costs are very high for a few of the startups to be taken exclusively. Mobile app development companies will offer inclusive marketing strategies that may save use investments for startups. The businesses will employ app marketing tactics that may aid in reaching the customers. In-app push notification, emails, SMS are employed in a very creative way thanks to reaching the users in informing about new offers or inviting the users to use the app frequently. So the last thing is about the customer-centric approach. Once you build a mobile app for your company, it will act as a significant tool for enhancing your business presence. It will be important to achieve the target customers and carry the business plans for an extended time. Every form of business must act per the wants of its customers, failing to which can stop its progress. This can be possible after you get the feedback of the consumers and apply them in your process. It will help to rework your business in step with the foremost needs of the shoppers. The two-way communication will be built with the help of such moves, aiding in having future loyal customers. So guys, that's all for now. If you are looking for a mobile app development company, check Pixel Apps. The link is in the description.